Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Shayon and you are watching All About Seals. So guys, today we are going to discuss about 11 fastest trains in India. Super fast trains in India for a speedy getaway. So let's have a look at the fastest train in India. In first position, which is the fastest train in India, is Vande Bharat Express, train 18, train number 22439. The maximum speed is 180 km per hour. The route of this train is from New Delhi to Varanasi. With a top speed of 180 km per hour, the superfast train is functioned to run at 160 km per hour on the train tracks for safety purposes. Train 18 Aka Vande Express is considered to be the successor of the 30 years old Shatabdi Express, is the fastest engineless self-propelled train in the country and is believed to reduce travelling time by 15%, that is 4 to 5 hours. The next one, at second place, there is Gatiman Express, train number 12049 or 12050. The maximum speed is 160 km per hour. The route of this train is from Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station to Agra cantonment. Covering a distance of 188 km, the high-speed train connects New Delhi and Agra in 1 hour 40 minutes only. Running at a super-fast speed of 160 km per hour, it connects the two most prominent tourist destinations of India. It is the fastest train in India with services like fire alarms, bio toilets, automatic sliding doors and GPS-based passenger information system like airlines. These trains has train hostesses also. The passengers also get access to multimedia content and free Wi-Fi. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals are available in both in North Indian and South Indian variations. And the next one and the third one is New Delhi Bhopal Shatabdi Express. Train number is 12002. The maximum speed is 150 km per hour. The route is New Delhi, Mathura, Agra cantonment, Moriana, Gwalior, Jhansi, Lalitpur, Bhopal and at last Habibganj. New Delhi Bhopal Shatabdi Express is the third fastest train in India with a speed of 150 km per hour. It runs from Delhi to Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, covering a distance of 707 km. The word Shatabdi can be translated to the centenary. It was introduced in 1988 to commemorate Jawaharlal Nehru's birth anniversary and was the brainchild of Madhav Rao Scindia, the railway minister of that time. It is truly air conditioned and provided the traveller with snack, coffee or tea, meals and a 1 liter water bottle of 300 ml packaged water. The meals are covered in the booking fare. At fourth place, there is Mumbai New Delhi Rajdhani Express, train number 12951 and New Delhi Kanpur Shatabdi Express, train number 12034. The maximum speed is 140 km per hour. Having a tie at the fourth position, the Mumbai New Delhi Rajdhani Express and the New Delhi Kanpur Shatabdi Express run at super fast speed of 140 km per hour. The former covering a distance of 1384 km and the latter covering a distance of 440 km. Morning and evening snacks, bottled water, tea and coffee, soup, meals, ice cream are served in both the train. At fifth position, there is New Delhi Howrah Rajdhani Express. The number of this train is 12302 and New Delhi Sialdah Duronto Express. The number of this train is 12260. The maximum speed of these trains are 135 km per hour. Running at a speed of 135 km per hour at the fifth position in the list of the fastest train in India. There is a tie between New Delhi Howrah Rajdhani Express and New Delhi Sialdah Duronto Express. Howrah Rajdhani covers a distance of 1450 km, is the most prestigious Rajdhani train. It was the first train in India to become fully air conditioned. Depending on the timing of the train, morning tea, lunch, high tea, dinner or breakfast are served. The superfast train is an important link between Kolkata and New Delhi, running close to some holiest sites like Allahabad, Parasnath, Goa, etc. On the other hand, New Delhi Sialdah Duronto Express covers a distance of 1457 km. Snacks, meals, water, tea and coffee is provided also here. So guys, that was for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, and if you dislike this video, then hit the dislike button also. And don't forget to comment. The second part is coming soon, so stay tuned.